Now let's talk about Dynamics 365. So now I might have used the word Dynamics CRM and also I use the word Dynamics 365 here. So let me clarify that. So the latest version of Dynamics CRM is known as Dynamics. So in this one, we have CRM functionality, that means sales, customer service, and marketing. The basic or traditional functionality of any CRM system. So now what Microsoft did in this latest version is they have included CRM functionality along with your ERP functionality. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. So this CRM and ERP are sister products. So CRM basically interact with your customers. When you do marketing, when you do sales or customer service, you're dealing with them. CRM is all about that. And now when it's come to ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, this is an application which is used in your organization. There are multiple departments and this system is used for your department. Within your organization, CRM used outside of your organization with your customers. So these two are sister products. Now, what are the application includes? So in Dynamics 365, Microsoft's come up with the terminology or term apps. Just like your apps that you use in your smartphone, they call the name as app. Instead of calling modules, they call it as application or apps. They have this many apps are there. Dynamics 365 for sales, Dynamics 365 for customer service, operations, financial, field service, project service, automation, and marketing. They keep on adding more and more because now it is just like one platform, many application. So it was just like sales, marketing, and customer service. You could purchase any of this. When you read through the material, when you go through many different sources online, then you will realize this more. Earlier we had only sales, customer service, and marketing. And then for ERP, you used to go to tool like Dynamics AX, Dynamics Navigation, etc. Now they have made each of this functionality as separate application or app. Then they bring together all to you so that you can purchase all of them as a plan, or you can just purchase some of them. If I just need sales, I can purchase that. If I just need customer service, I can go for that. So here, financials and field services, third and fourth. These are basically the module from Dynamics AX and Navigation application. Those are basically ERP application. So even ERP or CRM, you can buy from a single place. And that is a great thing because if you buy Salesforce, you just get sales, marketing, and customer service. And if you want to have an ERP module from Dynamics AX or SAP ERP or Oracle ERP, whatever, you just need to integrate. That was the case with Dynamics CRM also in the past. But now ERP or CRM module you can purchase from the same application. That's a great thing. So we'll look into that more. So these are some of the modules or apps we have: sales, customer service, operation, financial, field service. As a CRM developer, you just need to cover sales, customer service, maybe a little bit into field service also. Let's just note for us. They have added a few more modules like talent and hiring, etc. also recently. Those are basically from the ERP. So these are the Dynamics 365 CRM modules. Now, whenever I talk about Dynamics CRM or Dynamics 365, I mean just the same thing, Dynamics here. We are not talking about ERP here. We are not talking about financials or operational here. We are just talking about CRM module, that is sales, customer service, and marketing. And some of the functionality in the service is changed into a different application that is known as field service.